Hello friends and welcome back to another nail art video.
Today I am going to share with you 8 easy clear stamper hacks. You can use your clear stamper and use these various techniques to create beautiful nail art on your nails.
For the first method, you need to apply a little bit of oil on your clear stamper head and spread it around. Then apply nail polishes of your favorite colors. You will see that you will get some kind of mesh-like patterns, and you can also create some more patterns using a dotting tool and removing off some of the polish and create designs of your choice. Then when it is dry, remove off these patterns, apply a white polish on your nail and some top coat, and then you can place these patterns on your nail and create these kind of abstract designs. Use as many colors as you want, place them, trim off the excess, and then use nail polish remover and a cleanup brush to clean up the edges and to stick the nail polish properly. Dab the tip a little bit and finally seal the design with the layer of top coat. And this easy nail art hack is done. And now coming to the second nail art hack using a clear stamper. For this, all you need is a piece of tape. You can use a cello tape, scotch tape, or any micropore tape. Place them on the nails and then use your stamper head and apply different shades of polishes as I'm doing. And once you're happy with the colors that you have used, just smoosh it on your nails and you will get a marbled kind of design. You can keep this design on the whole nail, or you can create some negative spaces like I have done over here. Then clean up the area surrounding the nail to remove off the excess polish.
And then I have used the deepest of the polish that I used for making the smooshy, and I gave the negative space a border. And after this I applied a layer of glitter top coat to seal in the design, and this very easy nail art design is also done. Now coming to hack number 3. For this, all you need is any plastic lid, or you can even use a strong polythene and create any pattern using nail polishes of your choice on this. Next, you can create any kind of pattern that you like. It can be a smooshy pattern, it can be like a drag marble nail art design. So over here I am trying to create a floral pattern. After the design is done, let the design dry off for a few seconds, and after a few seconds use your clear stamper head to take the design and then transfer it on your nail. Clean up the edges and you have the pattern on your nails. And next, coming to hack number 4. For this we are going to use a stamper, and you can take the pattern on your stamper head and then apply a layer of clear polish. Then fill in the design with colors of your choice. So using this clear stamper you can create nail art using the reverse stamping method. So over here I am going to fill up this owl with brown color, and then I'm going to wait for a few seconds so that the polish dries off a little bit and is tacky enough. Then I'm going to transfer the image on my nail, and finally I'm going to seal off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. So in this manner also we can create reverse stamping designs on the nails. Now coming to hack number 5. For this, first I'm going to create a rough French tip on my nails. Then I'm going to use the clear stamper and apply polishes of different colors, and then I'm going to smoosh off these polishes so that I get a marbled kind of design. And then using this stamper head while the polish is still wet, I'm going to make a French tip which is going to have a marbled kind of look. So in this manner you can use your clear stamper head to create a marbled French tip design, and I'm going to give a line of golden nail polish at the junction of the French tip. Now hack number 6 is all about watermarble nail art. So for this, if you want to create really thin lines of watermarble design on your nails, and if you want the pattern to be in any particular way on your nails, then that is a little bit difficult to achieve by dipping the nail directly in the water. So for that purpose you can use your clear stamper head. So first of all you need to do is create the water marble design. So over here I am creating an abstract water marble design. So I'm just going to keep on moving the colors till I get really thin lines. So this pattern, when it becomes good enough, I am going to pick it up using my clear stamper head like so. Then I am going to dab the clear stamper head gently with a piece of tissue paper so that the excess water is removed, and then I'm going to apply a layer of clear top coat and let it dry off. Then I'm going to peel off this design and trim it off as per my choice. Now I can use the pattern that I want in any way on my nails, and I can use the pattern on the whole of my nail like I'm doing over here. So in this manner you can get the exact design that you want on the nail. Then remove off the excess polish all around using a cleanup brush and some nail polish remover, and dab the tip to seal it off, and finally apply a layer of top coat. You can also add some rhinestones if you want to make the design a little bit more attractive. So over here I am adding a few rhinestones, and in this manner you can use this water marble technique and clear stamper to create this design. You can also use this technique to create water marble nail art on part of your nail. If you want to have design on just one corner or half of your nail, then you can use a piece of this design as I have done and apply a layer of top coat. And you can also add some dots or some rhinestones further so that the design becomes a little bit more attractive. So this is also a very easy clear stamper hack for water marble nails. And now coming to hack number 7. So over here I am going to use the stamper and create some rings using this stamper. So put a dot of nail polish and remove the central part by using a dotting tool. In this manner create circles and you can stamp them on directly on your nails. So in this manner you can create these multicolored circles on your nail using a dotting tool and a clear stamper head, and finally apply a layer of top coat to seal the design. And this very easy nail art design is also done. And now coming to the last hack, that is hack number 8. For this I have applied a pearly white polish on the clear stamper head, and then I have layered it with black, golden and white nail polish. Then I used a dotting tool to gently mix up these polishes and to create an abstract kind of smooshy pattern, and I'm going to allow this to dry off on the clear stamper head. Using a clear stamper head makes it really easy to peel off the design when it is dry, and then I'm going to use a serrated scissor to trim off the design. Then apply nail polish of your choice, and then put this piece of design on your nail. Trim off the excess design and dissolve the excess design from the sides, and apply a layer of top coat to seal in the design, and this is also done. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.